Hey dinos, thanks for joining me for a brand new episode. How have you been? Oh, that's great. I want to tell you something about the Earth. Did you know that the driest place on Earth is near the ocean? The Atacama Desert in northern Chile is the driest place on Earth. It is said that a city there went without rain for 400 years. And yet, this desert is right next to the biggest body of water on Earth. Can anyone guess? That's right, the Pacific Ocean. Do you know what they say about the ocean? Water, water everywhere, but not a drop to drink. Isn't that ironic? Okay, dinos, let's get your worksheets ready. We could do this. Let's go. First, let's always write our names. My dinos are getting so great at writing their name. I know I say this every week, but you really are. Let's read the directions. Red M, what do you see? I see a brown monkey staring at me. Let's read it one more time. Red M, what do you see? I see a brown monkey staring at me. What do we color the letter M? It says red M. That's right, red. Great job, dinos. Let's grab our red crayons. Since you dinos are doing such a great job at coloring inside the lines, do you want to hear a monkey joke? Okay, what kind of key opens a banana? A monkey. Get it? An interesting fact about monkeys that they also have their own unique set of fingerprints just like humans do. And monkeys have a brain that is large for their size, and it is part of the reason why they're so smart. Great job at coloring the red M. It turned out great. Now, what color do we color the monkey? It says, I see a brown monkey staring at me. What color? That's right, I see a brown monkey. Grab your brown crayons. Hey dinos, did you know that monkeys have more than 260 species of monkeys found in the world today? Isn't that a lot? And what do you call a baby monkey? An infant, just like us human beings. Hey dinos, want to hear another joke? Okay, why do monkeys not play games in the jungle? Because there's a lot of cheetahs. Whoa, great job, dinos. Check out that monkey. Did you know that monkeys love to hang in the trees? I bet you dinos already knew that. You dinos are so smart. Now on to our favorite part. We're going to color the background, whatever your imagination wants you to draw. Are you ready? I'm going to draw trees because as the bottom says, monkey loves to hang in the trees. First, I'm drawing the branches of the trees. Then after, I'm going to color in the leaves. Do you know how extraordinary you dinos are? Thanks for joining me every week for a lesson. You dinos are getting so smart. Now I'm coloring grass on the ground. Don't you see the picture coming together now? Now all that's left is the sky. That's phenomenal, dinos! You guys are doing so great at every worksheet we do every week. I can't wait to see you next week.
Hi everyone! To subscribe to Dino Jr. for more activities, songs, and dance parties, press the button here. For the next video, press here. Thanks!